Everybody, today I'm going to make a watch store, an online watch store. My name is Alpha and let's get started. First I would have this involved, then I will make something like this. Not too bad. It's fine. Watches, flip. Yeah, I want it kinda bigger. 64, too bad. 96, hell no. Could I make this fit? Of course I can. I gotta make it. I forgot it's over here to make it. Watches. Now to make the corner radius absolutely horrendous. Let's go with 80. No, that looks like a fucking pill. 20. Decent. Then I'm gonna get wait, no. Click. No, click on the. I'm gonna make this black. Cause yes. Make this thing. Actually, do I need this cube? Not really. Because I can make this white. Congratulations. Watches. Yes, watches. I'ma just have this here. Watches. Now to get a watch thing. I'm like, which one do I pick? Yeah, I'm gonna pick a simple one, not too bad, not too good. Licensed. I wonder. You can barely see it. Oh, this one's pretty good. Thank you. Okay. Watches, yeah. Boop boop. Fill. Here. Upload from computer. Downloads. Black watch. Boom. Done. Oh, flip. Oh god. Actually, wait, could I? No, I cannot. Boop. Where's my watches? Oh, there it is. Time to make the background the actual right the actual right color. Hooray! Hooray! Sorry, gotta do that to your mates. Watches. Watches. What's this? Why you gotta be like that? This is really good already. Erg. Fine. I'm not saying anything. By the way, that's my brother. Ignore him, he's an idiot. Sometimes. Sometimes.
Slide.
How about you slide it? Okay. Watches. Start shopping. Did I get a watch for this one? Wait, let's see if we can find anything. Here, watch. Flip. Nice. This would be really funny. Nah. Oh, hell no, man. Which one do I pick? Which one looks right? Yeah, that's mechanical, so. Why is it so small? Why is it so small? Why is that? Why is that? God, you flipping nut! God damn it. Bruh. Yeah. Brother, the flippy floppy is wrong with you? Flip. Yo. Why is it so white? Wait, no, why is it so dark? Bruh! No! Dude. Hey? Oh, get out. Can I stretch this? Oh, I can stretch this. Oh my god, this is perfect. Ah, yes. What's the point of this, actually? Let's have a triangle. Rectangle. Click this. click white, of course, because we love white in this town. Just kidding, I'm not racist. Honestly, I should shut up. Now let's get there. It is. Ah, yes. I really should lessen this. 15. The flippy. Ah, no. Why is it? Please. Oh my god, it's so small. Is there a way to make it somewhere else? Like, that sucks. Oh god, you did not need to see that. Alright, so just put this here. Let's get you started. Yippee! Alright, that's a very big thing. Now let's make it smaller. See? Let's get you started. How interesting. Let's make it bigger. Nice. Let's get you started. Oh god, too big. Too big. Hell yeah. Alright, there it is. There we go. Boom. Perfect. Gonna make this, whatever color this is. Silver. Absolutely flipping not. Ah, yes. Let's go radial. What? Angular. What diamond? It's just a diamond. God damn. Actually. Oh god. No, let's just make it white. I wish I could make it a shiny white, but let's make it white for now. Hey, don't forget this, make this 10. Because I love smooth. Watches! Let's get you started. That's the button. Alright. It won't ask you for anything for now. For now. Page 2. Let's go. Again with the frame. What did I use here? iPhone Pro Max 1. This is only available for that edition. Yeet. Come in small. Oh hell no. Oh god. Let's see. I gotta make this. Oh nope. Okay. This quarter radius 20 this time because I love this. This thing will be a part of the iPhone Pro Max. So what the hell? There we go. There we go. Oh, what is this? Oh hell no, man. I'm gonna make this a bit bigger. Alright, so now we gotta make that search bar. Let's make this white first. With a corner radius of 10. And then a search, or magnifying glass. Let's see if we can just search. It isn't just search, okay. Alright, search to get search. Oh my god, that's so much random searches, but too bad. Yeah. I've been saying things, if you didn't hear a single thing, I'm so sorry. Anyways, I shall focus on this, and not you. Calm down. Anyways, do I make tab for this game? No, sorry for breathing in. I really want to share with you guys, but like I really can't, cause you know, he suck. Yeah, whatever. It's fine now. How do I fine. It's fine. Just gotta make this color ray for see. Trust me, trust the process, gang. Trust the process. These are not just random colors I got from my head.
What the hell?
Okay, guys.
What the hell?
Now there's 3 rectangles. Yippee! Okay. Time to make this searching. There'll be this clock, and then there'll be control C, control this clock, and then this clock. No, this clock, and then this. Oh no, I haven't done it yet. Boom! How magical! Boom! Boom! Wow! How insane! Really crazy, didn't it? Well, that's a lot of work. Time to make. Oh, flip. Okay. Luckily, I can do this. Can I mix the? Where's the mixed? No. What is to make it 10? Wow! Wow! Oh my god. This is perfect. Are they all? Why do I have to be like this? Oh my god. Damn it. Oh my god. Thank you, God. Okay. Time to show you what my true powers. Time to color this shit down. Anyways, these will have watches on them. I hope. Let's just hope. Alright, yeah? Alright. Oh god. Anyways. Boop. This will just be placeholder. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's make it a smooth color. Magenta. Because I think I don't even need to. Let's just pretend these watches are like. Let's pretend these watches are like here, 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 here. Alright, gang? Alright. And let's just set here info on watch. Boop. Control C, Control V. Control V. Control C, C. C. Control C, Control V. Yay. V. Eh? Yay. V. Yay. Yay. Stop, I'm being scared. Alright, that's info. Why is it always this weird grey? I really should just fix this. Just a sec. Let's make this full white, and so when I make something, you can see it. Ah! I'm a master at designing, trust me. Perfect. This is a PNG. This is like I'm kind of OCD. Alright, these are the. This is the Le Store. This is a low quality rendition of the store, but I'll put in more effort, I guess. Yeah. Anyways, like, yeah, page 3. As you know, you're in the iPhonians. God, no. I hate iPhone 14 to 15 Pro Max. I only like the new iPhones. Yay! There's actually no point in this, but why not? Yeah. Anyways, try to follow this shit. Anyways, perfect. Anyways, wait. Boom. Why not? I forgot that fudge. Alright, I hope this is unpaused and I don't miss anything. Anyways, time to make the last thing, which is the Fuichi. Let's make this again black, cause who doesn't love black? That's not what I meant. No. Anyways, okay, we're back, and this time I have a flipping PNG, cause we just have a PNG, of course.
Thank you, folks.
Hello. Ah, yes. Me watch. That is perfect. Is there a way I can make this? That looks nice. Should I make this a slightly later darkish? Remember, folks, if you're making a design, the background also matters. Ah, yes. Don't forget around the edges, because that is a real part of this thing. If it's rounded edges, it looks smooth. Clock name. Let's make a clock name. Okay, clock face. That's a Limbus reference. My brother hates me for it for some reason. Don't know why he also plays Limbus. Anyways, let's make it white, because we all love a white guy, don't we? That's actually kind of racist as well. Sorry. Cool. Black watch. Shut up. Sorry, gang. I just hate my brother. Cool. Oh no. Cool black watch. It's all in caps. Oh god. It's fine. It's fine. What happens if I just... Oh, I hate when it does that. Where's the... Here it is. Cool black watch. How do I make this sticker? Oh my god. Cool black watch. Hell yeah. Cool black watch. That's crazy. That's crazy, gang. Cool black watch. How nice. Let's make the price a little smaller. Text as well. 100,000 bucks. $1,000 for a bot in watch. Hell yeah. Deal. There should be the... I should have a card. Wait, card. Card. I don't like this. Why is it like this? Can you make it white? Why is it like that? How do I flip this shit? Wait a minute. How do I flip this? It's fine. I'm gonna just put it here. I'm gonna have some text that says add to cart. Add to cart. Hell yeah. Can I make this again? Rounded. Oh hell yes. Oh hell no. That's good. Add to cart. Or list. Does this work? Scroll. I knew it. I flipping knew it.
Yeah.
And then there's the add to list, obviously. Add to wish list. Cause yes. Gotta make these things big so you can see it in the dark. Or the buy now thing. Buy now. Oh jeez. Buy now. I'll make this button really intriguing by making it white. No, flip. No, black. No, blue. I'll make it so out of place. Hell yes. Gotta make it 10. Gotta put the... Get out of my way, bitch. Rectangle 4 at behind the buy now. Let's make this in the center and then put this thing in the center. Buy now. Perfect. Now the